Here I write the first 10 members of the alkane family. So why I am saying this is a alkane family? Because all the alkanes are derived from the same general formula CnH2n plus 2. So this is called the members of the family. Okay, so these members are derived from the same general formula, so that alkane series are called as alkane family. Like that alkenes, so these are all the members of alkene family. Okay, so because these members are derived from the general formula CnH2n. Like that alkene series, these are all called as alkyne family because every member of the family is derived from the same general formula CnH2n minus 2. So now these alkene and alkyne, these series are called as homologous series. So what is the homologous series? The meaning of the word homologous is similar relation. Okay, especially it containing the similar difference between the succeeding members. Succeeding member is nothing but next of the member, especially they are differ, the succeeding members differ by ch2 unit. First I take the example of alkane family. So I take that butane and pentane. So the that butane next pentane, isn't it? So succeeding member of butane is pentane. So alkane. So here I write the molecular formula for pentane C5H12. This is the molecular formula for butane C4H10. So what is the difference between the pentane and butane? That carbon, one carbon difference and two hydrogen atom difference. So totally CH2 unit difference. So succeeding member of the alkane family is differ by CH2 groups. Okay. Next, if we add the CH2 in methane, we get ethane. If we add CH2 in ethane, we get propane. Okay, if we add the CH2 group in propane, we get butane. So all the members of the alkane series is differ by only CH2 group. Okay, it not only in alkane series also. So here I take the example of alkene member heptene and hexene. Okay, in that hexene, what is that molecular formula? C6H12. Okay, and heptene, what is the molecular formula? C7H14. Okay, so what is the difference between the heptane and hexene? So CH2 group differ. Okay, so like that alkane, that alkene series also differ by only CH2 group. For example, if we add CH2 in ethene, we get propene. If we add CH2 in propene, we get butene. If we add CH2 group in butene, we get pentene. So succeeding members are differ by only CH2 group. Here also alkynes. These alkynes also, example, I take the two alkynes propyne and ethane. Okay, propyne, what is the formula for propyne? C3H4. C3H4. Ethane, what is the formula for ethane? C2H2. So these two are succeeding member. Okay, so these two succeeding members are differ by the group CH2. So any succeeding member, not only that ethane and propyne, hexane and heptane, butane and pentane, whatever may be, any two succeeding member containing CH2 group difference is called as homologous series. So in this, what is the definition for homologous series? A homologous series, that succeeding member of the family differ by CH2 unit. Okay, So in that atomic wise, it differ by one carbon atoms and two hydrogen atoms. Okay, so succeeding members differ by one carbon atoms and two hydrogen atom. The mass wise, it differ by 14U. For example, that CH2 group, so that carbon mass is 12U, hydrogen mass is 1U. So here in CH2 group, one carbon is there. So one carbon, 12. So hydrogen, two hydrogen is there. So totally 2. So that mass wise is differ by 14U. So homologous series is nothing but a series of compound containing the similar relation. That means a series of compound containing CH2 difference by its succeeding member. Okay, so alkane is also contain CH2 difference. Alkenes also contain CH2 difference by its succeeding members. Like that, alkyne also contains CH2 difference. For example, if we add CH2 group in that nonine, we get dekyne. So, any two succeeding members of the family containing a similar relation. So, this relation is called as what? Homologous series. Homologous series is nothing but succeeding member of the family is differ by CH2 unit. In that atomic wise, one carbon and two hydrogen atoms. In the mass wise, 14U difference.